This is the Retro Dispo. It's a 28mm fixed focus pancake lens with a fixed aperture of f11. It gives your photos and videos that nostalgic disposable film camera look. Best of all, it costs $17 or 990 Philippine pesos. If you're looking for a clinical, high-performing lens, this lens is not for you. If you are looking for a lens with a lot of character, aka floss, that gives your photos that vintage retro look, this lens has tons of it. The lens gives you a lot of chromatic aberration, lens flare, bloom, distortion, and heavy vignetting. And in a way that doesn't make it look terrible. It's reminiscent of early digital cameras and disposable film cameras. Oh, and the lens locks into place unlike that other retro lens I have. While it is a fixed focus lens, it doesn't seem to be set to infinity. Or it could just be how the lens renders images. Things further away are smaller and you'll notice the chromatic aberration more, which makes it look like it's not in focus. The lens is actually good for things that are right in front of you, from 0.9 meters to 1.8 meters, or 3 feet to 6 feet. I find it's best to find your composition and not crop in due to all the imperfections being visible. And it works great with video because you don't notice the floss as much since everything is moving. I'll link where you can get the lens down below.